welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very super quick and easy eyeshadow tutorial, especially for day-to-day wear, or even if you just want to go for a nice meal, or even if you are a beginner to makeup, or maybe not too confident with the eyeshadow area, then this is the one for you. Today I'm going to be using the W7 in the Buff Natural Nudes Eye Colour Palette, which is a dupe for the Naked 2 palette. Or is it? Video coming very soon. So today's video is going to be showing you how to create this eyeshadow look that I've got on right now, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe if you do. Give this video a like. I'm LuceStephenson, in case you don't know it, but you can call me Luce because we are all friends here. Let's get straight into the video.
And it's all you need. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling.